Alright people, today we test our skills and patience with the G35. It's taken us the last good hour to be where we're at, but two on the outside, one on the inside. You can see it back there as per the instructions. 2 and 1. So we should be good. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Alright, so now we're about to throw the big chain and the sprocket on and keep our fingers crossed. Alright, so we got it in time. TDC and first mark, the bottom, the crank. How you know it's a TDC? The chuck is lined up with a mark on the motor. See that line right there? Come up top. Dollar right there. Or mark. So yeah, this man been doing this thing. I'm glad he went to college because they engineers, you know what I'm saying? It's my parts guy, Gary. Say hello, Gary.
Hello. That's a scary thought.
Alright, day number 2. We got the tensioner. So pop it open, and if I can find my blade, I can't find my blade or my scissors. For some reason, once you take these apart, take that pin out, it's never the same. Gotta get a new one. Am I? Alright, my fine folks, this is where we're at. VVT covers are on, plugging them up, intake necks, and all the pulleys and accessory shit. Hopefully we can fire this shit up in the next hour. And it better not be popping. Alright, this is the most work on this stuff.
Man, this is like that. Come over here.
Fingers crossed. Here we go.
From next week?
Well.
98, better watch out.
There's gonna be another VP on the street.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I just came back to let you guys know the sheer difference in color in my hands. No.